Let's be honest. Campus placements today feel less like opportunity and more like uncertainty. Degrees are awarded, students clear exams, yet when placement season arrives, companies hesitate. Resumes look strong, marks look impressive, but recruiters still ask one question: can this student actually do the job? Reality hits hard. Skills don't match industry needs. Students struggle in interviews, offers drop, and placement teams feel the pressure rising. Institutions work hard, but without proof of real skills, even great students and good institutions remain undervalued. You're not alone. Every institution faces this gap between education and employability, between potential and placement. And then, a shift begins, not driven by theory, but by experience. A collective of industry veterans steps in, professionals with 25 plus years inside the IT and educational ecosystem. People who've witnessed the evolution of technology, the hiring challenges, and the real cost of onboarding talent from ground zero. They've interviewed thousands, they've built and scaled teams, and they've seen one truth repeat itself. Degrees don't guarantee job readiness. They weren't working in isolation. Alongside them stood expert technologists, assessment architects, and seasoned industry practitioners. People who've been in the trenches, people who understand the gap between academic learning and industry expectation. Together, they asked one simple question: what if institutions could prove skills, not just teach them? And from that question, SkillProbe was born. SkillProbe isn't just another placement tool. It's a skill intelligence platform for institutions. It helps institutions move from degree-based placement to skill-verified hiring. With SkillProbe, institutions can role-based assess students, conduct real-world, scenario-driven evaluations, run AI-proctored, cheat-proof exams, build intelligent student skill profiles, and align talent directly with company job roles. Every student becomes searchable by skill, not by college tier, not by assumptions, but by proven capability. High-skilled students from Tier 2 and Tier 3 institutions get equal visibility and real opportunities. Placement teams gain clarity, companies gain confidence, students gain career direction. And the reason it works? Because it's built by people who felt the pain of bad hiring and the frustration of unseen talent. You don't just say your students are job ready. You prove it with data. You don't just run placements. You build an industry-ready talent ecosystem. Because education shouldn't end with a degree. It should begin with employability. And now, you have the ecosystem to make that happen. SkillProbe. Transforming campuses into skill-first institutions. Built by experience, trusted by industry. Designed for institutions like yours. Visit skillprobe.in and turn your campus talent into verified industry potential.